Hey guys, let's take a look at adding products to your import list. In this video, I'll walk you through the key areas to add products to your import list. You can easily navigate to our product catalog from your dashboard. This is where you can browse hundreds of thousands of verified US-based products from trusted American suppliers. You'll see all kinds of categories, from home decor and pet supplies to apparel and more. So there's something for every type of store. Whatever you're looking for, TopDawg makes it easy to find it fast. Use the filters on the left to narrow things down by department, section, category, or marketplace. You can also search by keyword to find specific items or brands. When you find a product you'd like to sell, click on the product and you'll open the product details page. Here you'll see the full product information like variants, pricing, current inventory, and estimated US shipping costs all updated in real time, so you always know exactly what's available and how it ships. With the click of a button, you can easily add this product to your import list. Just click Add to Import List. This saves the item to your store's import list, where you can customize the title, description, pricing, and images before syncing it to your store. To view the products you've added to your import list, simply click on your import list from the dashboard. It's really that simple. Browse, select, import, and start selling. If you'd like to learn about adding products to your import list in bulk, check out our Video Learning Center. Now you're ready to add products and grow your business with TopDawg.
Connect, simplify, scale. TopDawg, leading the pack in dropshipping.